So we've been kind of busy collecting parts. Picked up this thing here. It's a transom saver. We got a ladder for the boat. We got these things here. Just gotta drill this out a smidge, and I can put these little quick connect clips in there for these things, so I can attach that and let's get that back a little bit so you know what I'm talking about. So I can attach that right there, kind of thing. Just a little extra support. Picked this up today. When I went and picked this up, the guy happened to have this thing. It's a support. It goes in here. It's not support, but it's just a part I was missing for my steering. Bonus. What else we got in here? Oh yeah, I gave this to my neighbor when I had my big boat there last year. He never used it, so I got her back. We'll put that up front there somewhere. And yeah, there's a whole bunch of other crap over there. I'll show you those in a second. I just drilled this out a little bit bigger. So this little locking pin will fit in it. I'm gonna move her up to about there. So what I'm doing is tightening this thing. There you go. So what I'm doing is gonna screw that into there, and I'm gonna attach the top to that thing. A little extra security. I didn't have it, so might as well put it in. Then I can, flip the top down and leave the front open and just tie her up in the back here, I guess. Got a bunch of stuff on the go here. The radio is gonna go up in there. Little shifter knob thing, if it's good enough, I'll stick it on my steering wheel. All kinds of little gadgets and things on the go back here. There we go for the wide angle. Not as steady, but you can see. Got it all bolted in, tightened in, the whole bit. Extra support for the top. Yay. And another thing mounted. Just gotta wire it in. Getting closer, guys, getting closer. That's my luck. Brand new friggin' seat. I just dropped my drill. Put a nice little hole in my brand new friggin' seat. Damn it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at this. It's like Christmas. Transom saver works well. Sweet. Got some new fuel lines. Maybe I'll clean this thing tomorrow. So I just cut out 4 bolts out of here. They were used for some mounting hardware that was inside the boat. More fiberglass work. Okay, so I don't know if this is a thing, but I got everything out, pushed everything through, ground out the whole area, and just really marked it up in hopes of, new fiberglass grabbing there a lot better. So we'll get around to that momentarily, because right now I cut out the top part. This was the old light, just kind of rotten and bad, whatever. So I'm gonna glue this. There we go. I'm gonna glue this new one on here. Wire it down into there, and it seems to be a nicer setup anyway. Hopefully it works. There we go. Now that's wired in. You just need some really good silicone or that Sikaflex or something just to stick her on. Temporary electrical tape till I get to the store. So I couldn't film it because, well, my hands were full of fiberglass and just everything sticky. But yeah, this is my idea of a repair. I'm gonna have to sand it down, smooth it out and whatnot, but I don't claim to be a auto body guy, so if this is not to your standards, I apologize. I honestly don't know what I'm doing, but here you go. This is what I did. So what I did, looks like I'm getting a little bit of an air bubble in there. Oh, whatever. So what I did is each one of those 4 holes, I cut a little bit of fiberglass and wet it, and I just soaked it and just jammed it in every single hole. And just put a whole bunch of layers of fiberglass on there, so hopefully she holds. I can right here. I am getting a bubble. Damn it. Oh well, whatever. Should hold. She's patched. What's up, Peanut? Got the pressure washer out, and we are going to clean all around the engine in preparation of cleaning the carbs. So let's get cracking. So you're supposed to have the engine running for a little bit before you shoot this stuff on the engine, but well, this one isn't running yet, so I'm just going to soak it in that stuff and let it sit for a little longer than normal, I guess, and then I'll get in there with the pressure washer and clean it all off, because those are going to be rebuilt. Oh yeah, picked up a kicker to put on the back of this thing too. So it's the next day. I've already rebuilt this one a few minutes ago. We got the lower carburetor off, and figured I'd better show you a little bit of the stuff before I get a little too far. A lot of the old stuff I'm pulling out, some of the dirty stuff I'm cleaning and whatnot. This is the kit from the other one. I'll go get the other kit out, but I did a little bit of cleaning on this one already. Clean everything out. Lots of fun. Plug number 1, or the top anyway. Plug number 2. And number 3. I wonder if this was fogged before it was put away. Number 4. And now onto the part I've been dreading. The foot. I'm going to change the impeller. Only because I've never done it before. So here's to something new. The foot's off, and it was surprisingly easy. It's cruddy, real dirty in there, but there we go. We're going to take this, we're going to clean her up, change that impeller, put her back in. Whoa! We'll put her back into here. Look at that, eh? Yum! We'll put her back into there once she's in. We'll change the oil. Got all the bolts cleaned up, ready to put back in. Pressure washer's out. And I cleaned this stuff up. Now to take it apart. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go online and find out where this thing, if it goes in upwards or downwards. I saw a video on this last week. I'm gonna have to go back and watch it. Impeller is changed. All the plastics and bushings are changed. A little bit of NEC's on here. Let's put her back together. Oh, this damn foot was one hell of a job, let me tell you. We'll change the oil while we're here. Get her all done in one shot. Yeah, my lack of a tripod makes for interesting videos, eh? Oh well. Let's get all this old crap out of here and let's get her changed up.